Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Kevin's Crypto Talk. I am Kevin. Let's talk some crypto. All right, today, it's a bloodbath out there. Hide the women and children. Uh, Barricade the doors and wait for this to be over. Everything's down, 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 down. Just weekends taking some profits, and you know, I'm really hoping this is what the market, this market turns into, where it's just a bunch of run up and then a bunch of sell off and a bunch of run up and then a bunch of sell off. And if that's always going to be the case, then I don't know how much how much fun this will ever be. But eventually I think it settles down. I've been saying this whole time, the 25th, 26th, something like that. Probably after this weekend, I'm expecting some steady growth. I honestly the the big run we had a few days ago was kind of out of the blue. I wasn't ever expecting that big of a run up, and so now we're just kind of settling back to really where we were a few days ago. So it sucks. You got to start getting excited, start seeing that portfolio start going back up, and see some of your money start coming back in, and then all of a sudden, wham. It's one of the reasons, and I'm going to make a separate video on this on why, especially now in the current time we live in, I don't ever see the crypto market being a real serious investment opportunity or option, I guess, for real big time investors. Willing to risk the hundreds of millions and billions of dollars that they would in other stocks. Just it's too volatile, man. Can you imagine if the Dow Jones lost, you know, that much percentage, 25%, 15% in a day? Like, people would be jumping out of skyscrapers. So it's just, there's it's too easily manipulative right now, and there's so many coins, and there's going to have to be a real cleansing. And we might be in the beginning of it. We might not even be scratching the surface of it yet. So if we're going into March and we still see red, and we start seeing all this selling off and all that, and then I'll start getting a little more worried. But right now it's kind of a time, like, Neblio here, it's sitting at number 95 here. It's still up. If you bought it at, when I did, at $10, it's still up. It's just, it was up to 20 at one time. I'm afraid to even look at where another one I had was AirSwap, or AirSwap sitting at right now. But I can buy back in now. I sold everything out and got into Zcash, and it's down. That's down a ton right now. We'll get into Zcash in a minute, because I really want to take advantage of this Bitcoin private fork that's going down here in a couple of days. Yeah, and I expect that to go up as we get closer to the fork. Geez, AppCoin, that was $1. It's still up. I bought that at like 55 cents. It was up to $1. AirSwap is down. It's incredible. That's a really good coin, and hopefully it stays down, because after this fork, I'm going to be buying back into a lot of these, and AirSwap and AppCoins is definitely going to be one of them. Deep Brain Chain back down to like 8 cents. So there's still a lot of good buying opportunities if you guys still have money out there. I saw someone on Twitter going, "What are you guys going to buy in this dip?" It's like, maybe a bologna sandwich, because that's what I can afford. It's like, what am I going to buy? Like, a bottle of water, maybe. It's like, and it's like, who has unlimited funds, like that. So I'm gonna hold here, but really I don't own much at the moment, honestly, except for Zcash, or not Zcash, Z Classic. Did I say Z? Anyways, it's back up to, it was getting down. It's been bouncing all over the place. It was at $1.50 or 150, and then back down to 128. I still think before the fork on, I believe it's the 28th, is the snapshot, you're going to see this go up quite a bit. 28th still is until next Wednesday, so we still got about 4 days, 5 days until that happens. No more than that. Yeah, we still got almost 5 days, until that happens. So expect in the next 5 days this price to go through the roof. Definitely over $200, and I'm gonna get me some of that Bitcoin private, and hopefully Bitcoin private is even half as successful as Bitcoin Cash has been. I'll be ecstatic if we can get anywhere near Bitcoin Cash price, but I'll take half of that. That's not too bad. And actually, Bitcoin Cash was trading for 2,000 not too long ago. So, look at the Litecoin sitting here changing subjects here. Litecoin, 184. Anything under 200 on Litecoin's good deal. Ripple, for all you Ripple believers, we're going to be making a video this week on Ripple. There's two camps: people that hate it and people that love it. And you don't meet too many people in the middle, and I think I'm kind of in the middle on it. More in the like, but I've never owned any, and I may at this price. If this price goes down more, I might be a buyer back into it. Neo, I mean, anytime you can get Neo around $100, definitely if this goes around $100, But again, we go back to the thing. It's like, how many of you guys still have money left to trade with? I know I don't. I put it about another $750 in yesterday to get me some more Z Classic, and as long as my wife doesn't find out, I'll be good to go, But so Tron back under 4 cents. I know, bring on the Tron hate. So yeah, just it's not a pretty day. Days like this, it's just I haven't been spending too much time on CoinMarketCap. I kind of just pull up Z Classic to see how that goes, but it really doesn't matter. I just kind of torturing myself because I'm not worried about what's going to happen with Z Classic. That's going to shoot up before the fork. Everyone's going to dump it after the fork. I've moved all of mine into my Bittrex account so I can dump it as soon as it forks. And but once I get that money back, I can start buying into some other stuff here. KuCoin shares at $4. Gas. I mean, gas is probably one of the best investments, guys, really. We're working on a Neo/gas video right now, and it just doesn't. It kind of stays the same. It's gone down. It was up to like $48, I think, the other day. It's down a little bit, but that's long term. Gas is a solid investment. So that's really all I got to share for you guys today. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Are you guys scraping together your retirement funds and your kids' life savings or your college funds and dumping it back into the coin market? Or are you using some restraint and just praying that what you do have sees some profit one day before your kid goes off to college? Let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a subscribe. Until then, I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.